Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download free music from the YouTube audio library on your mobile phone. First, open your mobile browser and go to YouTube Studio. If the desktop version doesn't appear, enable desktop site from your browser menu and tap on YouTube Studio. Next, sign in to your YouTube account and tap on Audio Library from the left side menu. Browse through the available music tracks or use the search option to find the music you want. You can listen to a preview by tapping the play button. Once you found a track you like, tap the download button next to it. The music file will start downloading to your phone. After the download is complete, you can find the file in your downloads folder and use it in your YouTube videos without worrying about copyright issues. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.